Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Ice Edge Adventurous app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps, come to apps list. In there you're looking for Ice Edge Adventurous app, or just click on search. Then here at Ice Edge Adventures, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this. Click on for stop. Click on OK. Then you go down. Just click on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do. So you just click here on Play Store. And here you search here for Ice Edge Adventures. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.